It's time to start spring cleaning in the garden. I need to prune the roses, the lavenders, I need to cut back the grasses and other perennials. And I was thinking to start right here in the pond area with the heucheras. I just need to cut back the stems of the past flowers, and I also saw a few dry leaves here and there, and I will cut those back. And that's basically it for the heucheras.
You guys, there is still ice in the pond.
The heucheras are done and they look really well and ready for the season. And the next ones are the ponytail grasses, and I will cut them back to this height. So the next ones in this flower bed are the roses. I have 6 roses around this Jasmine. These 3 in the front are supposed to be white fairies, and the 3 in the back are pink fairies. But these ones have different flowers. They have bigger flowers than the pink ones, and the bushes are a lot smaller. So I'm not even sure these are fairies. I think these were mislabeled, but I really like them. So I was thinking to switch this one with the one in the back, the pink one. This way the boxwoods next to the pathway will have a lot more space to grow, because right now the pink fairies are leaning towards them and they are taking all the light. And also this way I will have a pink one, a white one, a pink one, a white one, a pink one, and so on, and it will create a really interesting color combination. I have a video where I explain how and when to prune the roses, and I will link it down below. I'm done with this flower bed, you guys, and I'm really happy with the results. It looks a bit empty, but it looks clean and they're ready to grow. The lavenders in this flower bed are the most urgent for me to cut back because I planted 80 daffodils in the back there and they need the light and the space. And these are the only ones, you guys, I couldn't cut back in the middle of the summer. They kept flowering, you guys. They flowered from June to December and I couldn't cut them back in December. So they really need a good pruning. I'm done, you guys, and I really like how it turned out, except for this one. The second one is a bit smaller than the rest, but it will get there. So the idea here in this flower bed is to have the daffodils as spring interest, and after that all the rest. The lavenders will start flowering in June, the echinaceas, the clematis, and the roses. Look at the daffodils, you guys. They already started to grow. There will be so many flowers here. So this is it for today, you guys. I will continue it next time. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. I'm really happy to help. Happy gardening. Bye.